everybody. Hello everybody. My name is Ansinghani and
I have a dream that one day down in Alabama with its vicious races and its governor,
think of monuments and I like building and rebuilding things like Lego. So I really want
I want a voice. I want a deep, resonant, effortless voice. I want to
over the lion and ate him up. Then the lion asked the antelope, "Is my bread sweet or sour?" I learned that how to speak in the stage really nicely, and I had lots of fun. And I'm like.
I do not run any good speechmasters because of my students.
I went to a picnic and a strong wind came and blew on me. Because the tree would never fall because of a strong wind. We're cutting straight to Himalayan News Channel.
Wrong, not to.
Have you ever heard about... Wait. Huh?
If you have this in hand, you'll not be able to.
That's what I like about the classes. The French people use it when they need to say I love it. The experience was really fun as I got to see all that happens behind the sets at a camera station. It was really fun and I found out how people recorded the stuff. It was one of the best trips ever. Thank you, Grooming Tales, for taking me here.
We are the Speechmasters. That's from Grooming Tales. Thank you for watching us.
Okay, done.